if you're still memorizing grammar rules, translation, every word, or even watching boring lectures with zero speaking, you are wasting your time. And even worse, it's like killing your confidence. This is not how you get fluent. This is not the fluent speakers practice from day-to-day life. But let me show you what are the exact techniques that you will be able to to transform your English even better and to sound even more like a native English speaker. And of course, if you've been learning for a very long time, you've been learning for a decade, you've been learning for many years, and you're still not fluent yet. So you don't need to memorize all the vocabulary lists, all the grammar rules. You know, like 500 words, but you can't build one real sentence. You forget them 2 days later. So don't spend months, years of studying grammar rules, and it doesn't help, okay? It doesn't help you to even speak more like a confident English speaker. Native speakers break grammar rules all the time, but don't translate in your head. It's kind of like it slows you down, slow your fluency down, you freeze, you overthink, you miss out your moments. And don't wait until you are ready. This is actually the fluency killer. If you're waiting until you get perfect, that's not going to happen, because perfection doesn't exist. You learn to swim in the water, right? Not by watching videos of swimming. And I would say, here's how fluent English learners do, and how you should too. Learn phrases, for example, single words. Can I help you, for example? Can I help you? I'm just looking, thanks. Let's catch up later. Why? Because this is how real conversation flow. And speak from day one. What I'm talking about here, talk to yourself in the mirror, record yourself, talk to your dog, talk to your surroundings. I'm serious. Speak out loud, okay? Speak out loud and practice shadowing. What I'm talking about here, a shadowing technique is a language learning technique where it's all about imitation. It's all about imitating native speakers and copy the native speakers, repeating after them exactly what they talked about, and to try to train your brain, to rewire your brain even faster. And what I would highly suggest that in order to stop wasting your time is to think in English. Speak, okay? Describe what you are doing in your head. For example, if you're studying, you're making coffee, talk about your day, whatever. I'm opening the fridge, I'm opening the door, I'm going to the park, whatever. This trains your brain to stop translating, okay? And use it daily. After that, try to use it daily. Speak, listen, read, and write. What I'm talking about here, don't just wait until you are perfect. Just consistency, even 10 minutes daily, every day, 2 hours once a week. 2 hours, 10 minutes every day, beats 2 hours every week. And I would say that's really fundamental strategies if you want to sound more confident, you want to learn faster, and to stop wasting your time at the same time. So stop wasting your time, because this is it's nonsense, okay? So try to implement these, try to apply these strategies into your day-to-day life, into your learning routine, and you become a confident English speaker. Stop wasting methods that doesn't work. Forget perfection at the same time. Forget the fear. And now a lot of people, they might be afraid of making mistakes, but did you know that even a perfect native English speakers, they were once a beginner. They were people who they making the awkward silence mistakes, and you have to use it as well in order to learn from it. And fluency isn't a gift, is a habit that you need to build it. So yeah, build the right habits, and start from today. That's all about it. And if you like the video, And if you like what you saw today, please consider that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also, click the bell so you don't miss any weekly videos. Take care everyone, bye bye.